Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the FIXD app is and how it's positioned. FIXD is a car diagnostics app that works with a dedicated OBD2 sensor, allowing users to monitor vehicle health and understand issues directly from their smartphone, based on official FIXD sources and App Store listings. According to official descriptions, the app connects to a vehicle through the FIXD sensor and provides diagnostic information about engine problems, maintenance needs, and system status. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official information, the app falls into the automotive diagnostics category and is designed to simplify car maintenance and troubleshooting for everyday drivers. The app supports reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes, helping users identify issues related to the check engine light. It also includes real-time vehicle data monitoring, allowing users to view parameters such as speed, engine load, and temperature depending on compatibility. Official descriptions indicate that the app provides plain language explanations of fault codes, which may help users understand potential issues without technical knowledge. According to available information, the platform includes maintenance tracking features, sending reminders for services like oil changes, tire rotations, and other routine tasks. There are also features like cost estimates for repairs and alerts for potential problems, although accuracy may vary based on available data and vehicle type. For users interested in monitoring vehicle health and reducing maintenance uncertainty, this could be an option based on the features described. This app may be useful for drivers who want simplified diagnostics and maintenance tracking in one place. Some features, such as repair estimates or advanced diagnostics, may depend on subscription plans, vehicle compatibility, or sensor usage, and this is not fully confirmed in all cases. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.